Okay, so I went back and tried something else. Instead of curling all the way to the ends with the flat iron, I've just dropped the curl when there was like the last inch or two. So let's see how that goes. Sliding down towards the bottom and drop it. And as you can see, the curl, of course, is stuck in the bottom there. The curl is flattened out and the ends are that straighter look that is more like this. And I did do this one with the flat iron. Hopefully you can see this. So we'll see how it goes. I will try the other side. I feel like I'm still getting that really kinky. I might be hanging on too tight to the, clamping it down too tight to on the hair, which is not unusual when you're first learning. So this is a learning experience for me. See, that one's better. It's not quite so tight. I didn't hold the clamp down as tight. And when you get that usually it means that you're hanging on a little too tightly to the hair. You're clamping down too tightly. Sorry, those are my elephants upstairs. Many of my guests hear my littles upstairs when they're visiting. Yeah, see, I like that better than this one. This one's too tight. Let's redo this one.